hello, namaste. This is Harshita. कैसे हैं आप सब? I hope you guys have seen my last nail art video. If you haven't seen, please go and check in the description. And today I'm going to show you how to do the butterfly design using multicolors. So let's start. These are all the items which are required for doing today's nail art. And you can use any color which you like, but I'm using blue, green, red, orange, pink, black and white, and Fevicol for removing sides, and this brush and pointed tool and toothpicks. So tell me guys, how is this design? If you like this design, please give me a thumbs up, comment and share. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and press notification bell icon. Namaste.